Today we will be learning about how to evaluate a function. To evaluate a function, substitute the input, the given number or expression, for the function's variable, placeholder x. Our first question says, use the following function rule to find f of 1. F of x is equal to 1 minus x. We have to find f of 1. So what we do in this question is, we have been given f of x is equal to 1 minus x, and question is asking us to find the value of f of 1. So what you do in this situation is, you substitute the value of x. In this case, what is this? This is your 1. So we have to find f of 1. So I'll write it like this. This is telling you the value of x is what? 1. So what you do is, you come over here and it says 1 minus x. So what is the value of x? Value of x is 1. So it looks like this, 1 minus 1, and your answer is 0. So this means f of 1 is what? F of 1 is 0. So this is called evaluating a function. How you evaluate a function? You take the value of input. The value of input is what? F of 1. Where you substitute? You substitute in the value of x. Okay, and this gives you the answer. 1 minus 1 is equal to what? 0. Use the following function rule to find f of 132. So I have been given f of x is equal to x over 6 minus 2. What I have to find? Question says find the value of f of 132. Okay, so what it is telling you, this question is telling you the value of input or value of x is what? 132. So in this question over here, I see x over here. So I will replace this x by what? By my value 132. I will write 132 over here divided by 6 minus 2. Now at this point, what you can do is, if you can type this value in your calculator. So this is my 132 divided by 6. Make sure you come to the right side, minus sign 2. It should look exactly like this, and when you press your equal sign, your answer is what? Your answer is 20. So your answer is 120. Or f of 132 is 120. So what it is telling you, it is telling you when you input the value of x, that's your 132, where in the function machine, which is this, and you see x over here. So when you input this 132 at this place, it looks like f of 132, and when you insert at this place, you can simplify it and you got the answer over here. Question number 3. Use the following function rule to find f of 84. So I have been given f of x is equal to 6 plus x over 42. What I have to find? I have to find the value of f of x or f of 84. So what I will do is I'll write 6. Do you see x somewhere? Yes. What is the value of x? Value of x is what? 84. So I will replace this x by what? 84. Okay, and divided by 2, I'm writing divided by 42 is over here. There are two ways to do this problem. First method is you type this in your calculator and it will give you the straightaway answer. So I will use my calculator over here. So this says 6 plus, you will use a fraction button because it is a fraction. 84 divided by 42, and it gives you the automatic answer. There's your answer is what? Your answer is 8. Now second method. Second method, after this step, what you do is it says 6 plus. You will divide 84 by 42. So again, either you can do mental math or you can use a calculator for this. So it is your 84 divided by 42. So my answer is what? 2. So I'll write over here 2. So what is 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2 is 8. So it gives you answer by the second method. So whichever method you prefer, you are free to use that method. Our question number 4 says use the following function rule to find f of 3. So I have been given the function machine or the function rule as 12 times x. And I have been asked to find the value of f of 3. So what I will do is wherever I will see x, I will replace that by what? I will replace that by value of x. So the value of x is what? Value of x is 3. So I'll write 3 over here. So what is 12 times 3? That's your 36. And this is your answer. So I can write it like this, or f of 3 is equal to what? 36. That's my answer over here. Question number 5 says use the following function rule to find f of 10. And we have been given function rule as f of x is equal to absolute value of 7 plus x. Now in simple words, what we say, whenever you see any term between these absolute value symbols, what you do is your answer is always positive. This we have learned in your previous class. So let's keep it like this. And we have to find the value of what? F of 10. So what I will do over here, I will write 7 plus. Now my question to you is this: what is the value of x? Yes, value of x is 10, which I will replace over here. Okay, so I got 7 plus 10. So your answer is absolute value of 17. Or you can write what? F of 10 is equal to positive 17. That's your answer. Use the following function rule to find f of 10. Now I've been given the function rule. F of x is equal to 11 minus 12x. What I have been asked? I have been asked find the value of f of 10. So what I will do is I'll write it over here. Now I will go back and check what is the value of x I have been given. So what is the value of x? Value of x is 10. So what I will do is at this place, what I will do instead of x, I will write 10. So my answer is 11 minus 12 times 10 is 120. What we will do over here is we will use our calculator. Okay, make it a habit of using a calculator, because when you are using, many of the mathematical errors which you might be making can be rectified using the scientific calculator. So I wrote what? I wrote 11 minus 12 times 10, and my answer is what? Negative 109. So I'll write my answer equal to negative 109. I'll write my, or f of 10 is equal to what? F of 10 is negative 109, and this is my answer for this question. Question number 7 says use the function rule to find f of 9. So the function rule is f of x is equal to 9 times x, and we have to find what? F of 9. Now my question to you is this: what is the value of x? So value of x we have been given is 9. So this means what? At this place what I will write? 9. What is 9 times 9? That's your 81. So my answer is what? F of 9 is equal to 81. This is my answer. Question number 8 says use the following function rule to find f of 6. So step number 1, we will write our function rule. Function rule is what? X plus 8 whole square. And we have to find f of 6. So I'll write over here plus 8 whole square. Now I will ask this question from you: what is the value of x? Value of x is 6. So wherever you see x, what happens is you just write 6 over here. Okay, now after this what you can do is you can simply use your calculator, or if you can always use your mental math. So I'll write over here parentheses 6 plus 8. Now do you see this one? This symbol is called a square. It's a square. It looks like our function over here, and I'll press the button. My answer is what? 196. So my answer is what? My answer is 196. So I can say what? F of 6 is equal to 196, and this is my answer for this question.